In this video, I'll guide you through how to record a specific window on OBS Studio. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. If you want to record a specific window in OBS Studio, then this video is for you. At first, you will take a scene by clicking on this plus sign and type a scene name and click on OK. Now you need to add source for these scenes. To add source, tap on plus icon, and if you want to capture your display, then click on display capture and type the name and hit OK. Now you need to choose capture method automatic and then display selection. First we click on display drop-down box and choose a monitor. Let's think, if you want to capture your primary monitor, then tap on it and hit OK. And if you want to record a specific window using OBS Studio, then tap on this plus icon and tap on window capture. Now name it and click on OK. Now tap on window drop-down box and choose the window which you want to record and select it. Now click on OK. Once you select your window, then click on Start Recording. By following this tutorial, you can easily record a specific window in OBS Studio.